Hi everyone! My name is Teacher Jo, and I'll be your English teacher for today. To start with, I want everyone to say English is fun, fun, fun. Say it with me. English is fun, fun, fun. Very good. Now, I have a question, class. What do you do before you go to school? Yes, Ella, you fix your bed. Very good. How about you, Mark? Okay, you wash your face. Very well. Now let's put those actions into a song. Can you sing a song with me? Great. The title of the song we have here is Morning Routine. All right. Are you excited, class? Let's do it. I wake up, I wake up, I wash my face, I wash my face, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. This is what I do when I wake up in the morning. This is what I do. This is what I do when I wake up in the morning. This is what I do. All right. Clap, clap, clap. Very good, everyone. Did you have fun? Okay. Now, let us analyze the lyrics of the song. Did you see the underlined words? Yes, class. We have underlined words here. Now, let's read them one by one. Yes, James. The first word is awake. Great. How about you, John? Second word is wash. That's correct. How about you, Ethan? What's the third word? It's brush. That's right. And Ella, how about the fourth word? What is it? It's comb. Okay, very good. How about the fifth one? Yes, Stacy, it's it. All right. And then the next one is yes. Okay, it's go. Very good. And the last word, everyone, what is the last word? The last word is do. That's right. Now, question. What are these words? Yes, that's correct. These words are action words. Do you know what part of speech describe an action? That's right. We call them verbs. And that is our lesson for today. Verbs. Verbs are action words. They are the words that is used to describe an action. There are different examples of verbs. We have many, just like walk, walk, ride, ride, and swim. Very good. Now let's look at other examples of verbs. We have here sing, just like what we did earlier. Run, climb, climb, jump, jump, and dance. All right, very well, class. Let's move forward with our individual activity. In this activity, you have to encircle the verbs in each sentence. Mhm. Now, class, are you done? Great. Let's answer your work. What's the answer, John, in the first number? It's jumps. Correct. Very good. How about Ethan, the second number? The answer is run. Great. How about in number three, Stacy? What's the next answer? It's eat. That's right. And then how about you, Mark? In number four, the answer is play. Good job. And last number, Anna reads a book. What's the answer? It's reads. Okay, let's proceed with our group activity. And here we have to play a game. So, first, I will divide you into three groups. Each group has to list down as many verbs as you can in 3 minutes. And then, the group with the most number of verbs listed down will be the winner. Okay, only have 3 minutes to do it. Done, class? Did you enjoy our group activity? Good job, Group 3. You're the winner. Let us give Group 3 a round of applause. Perfect. Good job. Now, for our homework for today, I want you all to write 3 sentences with verbs and underline it on your notebook. I hope that, class, you enjoy our class for today and see you soon for our next lesson in English. Have a great one. Bye.